Okay, thank you.
Is she just pleading on one? Is that the deal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this cause number 742-008, State of Texas versus Lori A. Rodriguez. Are you Lori Rodriguez?
Yes, sir.
I couldn't hear you, sorry.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning. Could you raise your right hand? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, you can lower your hand. Ms. Rodriguez, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. You are charged with the offense of evading arrest or detention. That is a Class A misdemeanor, Ms. Rodriguez, punishable by up to a year in the county jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes.
Ms. Rodriguez, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. And what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Ms. Rodriguez, do you understand you have those rights?
Yes.
You also understand that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yeah.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Ms. Rodriguez, did you go over that paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes.
All right, you understand what's in these documents?
Yeah.
All right, great.
I just want to make sure I got time served, right?
Right. In order to get into any kind of plea bargain, you have to give up your rights first, because you're not going to have a jury trial. You're not going to confront the witnesses, okay?
Okay.
That's what this paperwork is telling me, that you understand you have all these rights, but you want to give them up because you want to get into a time served agreement on these cases. Is that what you want to do? Ms. Rodriguez, is that what you want to do?
Yeah, I want to go with what I signed.
Right. So you want to give up your rights so you can get into an agreement with the state of Texas, right?
Yeah.
All right, great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Evidently, you do have a plea bargain in this case, Ms. Rodriguez. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with your agreement, but if I don't go along with your agreement, I'll let you withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Rodriguez, listen up. The state's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
A $0 fine, court costs, 39 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And we ask that the judgment be satisfied. And Judge, I had that this will run concurrent with 2024 CC 742006.
Oh, it's not going to be TIC?
That is not what I have, Your Honor.
Okay, so she's pleading on two. I didn't see any other paperwork. Maybe it popped up later or something. Okay, it's going to run concurrent with 74.
742006.
742006. All right, Mr. Cabanis, is that the agreement?
That is the agreement, Judge, but I agree with you in that I didn't see any other plea paperwork as far as running concurrent. I thought the other case was going to be TIC'd.
Yeah, that's not what he's saying, though.
I have notes in both that the offer was 39-day JSAT running concurrent on both.
Did you give him paperwork on that? Did you get paperwork on that one?
There's a note. I have a note that says there was a discovery acknowledgement on both. But okay. I'm not sure about any other paperwork that might be required.
All right, Mr. Cabanis, I guess the ball's in your court then. I can't TIC a case unless it's an agreement. So if she pleads on this, it's going to run concurrent with the other, but then you're going to have to do paperwork on the other.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind doing the paperwork, Judge. Like I said, I just didn't get it.
I can send you paperwork on that.
Let me see.
And Alfonso, is that okay with your client? Maybe she doesn't want to plead on both. I don't know, but if it's going to require more negotiations, you need to get into a breakout room. It is a trespass. I don't know why they wouldn't TIC it, but they're not.
All right, can we put her in two, please?
Alfonso, you need to talk to her, or do you want to go through with this plea on both running CC?
Judge, let me just talk to her just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, put her in two. Thanks, Leonard. One of those days.
Attorney Cabanas, just move yourself back to 2, please. Judge, I'm sorry, he needs paperwork on the 742-008?
No, that's the one we're doing right now.
He needs
Okay.
it for the 6.
06, okay, thank you.
Alfonso, where are we? We're gonna go ahead, proceed.
Judge, I just need to meet with my client, but when I'm trying to join breakout room 2, it shows that I'm assigned to breakout room 1.
Maybe Deborah. can
Oh,
help you
I'm
with that.
sorry. Okay, I'm gonna move you to 2.
We should be ready, Judge.
All right, what's she gonna do? She's gonna,
She
go ahead
signed
with
the, yes, Your Honor.
let me finish this one up and then we'll jump into the next one.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Rodriguez, we left off at the point where we were describing the plea bargain. Let me just restate it for you. The plea bargain in this case, which is 742-008, is 0 fine to cost the court, 39 days in the Bexar County Jail. Time and money to run concurrent. This case to run concurrent with 742-006. Credit for time served, which means the judgment is satisfied. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case?
Yes.
Alfonso?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
All right, and the state gave it to me, so I know it is theirs. All right, Alfonso, does Ms. Rodriguez have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charges and the proceedings against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
She did, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is she legally competent to waive her rights and enter into these pleas?
I believe she is legally competent.
All right, Lori Rodriguez, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
All right, in this case, which is 742-008, how do you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest or detention? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
You understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Rodriguez. I will accept your plea. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of evading arrest or detention. Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine. The cost of court, 39 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. This case will run concurrent with 742-006. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied in this case. Ms. Rodriguez, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Ms. Rodriguez, any questions about that case?
No, sir.
All right, let's get to your other case. This is 742-006. Ms. Rodriguez, you are charged in this case with the offense of criminal trespass private property, which is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the jail. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rodriguez, you have the exact same rights in this case as you had in the last. That is to remain silent, confront the witnesses against you, and have a jury trial. However, I do have the paperwork in this case, like the last one, telling me that you understand you have all those rights, but would like to give them up so that you can get into a plea bargain agreement with the state of Texas in this case as well. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Great. Then I will approve your waivers in this case and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Ms. Rodriguez, you already know that I don't have to go along with any plea bargains, but don't worry about that. I'll let you withdraw your plea if I don't follow your agreement, and nothing will be held against you. All right, Ms. Rodriguez, listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is in cause number 742-006, your Class B misdemeanor. Go ahead, state.
It is a $0 fine, court costs, 39 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. We ask the judgment be satisfied, and this is running concurrently with 2024 CC 742-008.
Alfonso, is that the agreement in this case?
It is, Your Honor.
Ms. Rodriguez, is that what you agreed to in this case?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang on just a second here. All right, Alfonso, does your client have a rational as well as factual understanding of these charges and proceedings against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation for any possible defense to this case?
Yes, Your Honor, she did.
And you still believe her to be legally competent to waive her rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, sir.
All right, Lori, I already know you're an American citizen, so tell me, How do you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Ms. Rodriguez, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea, right?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to plead on this case?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Rodriguez. I will accept your plea on this case as well. I find you guilty of the offense of criminal trespass to private property, a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, 39 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. This case will run concurrent with 742008. I will give you credit for time served, Ms. Rodriguez, which means your judgment is satisfied in this case like it was in the last. Ms. Rodriguez, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Ms. Rodriguez, any questions?
No, sir.
All right, then. You take care of yourself. Merry Christmas. Stay well. Thanks, Alfonso. Good seeing you, brother.
Thank you, Judge. Good to see you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas to you. I appreciate it, brother. All right, Valverde and Angelise, I'm so sorry it took so long today. Merry Christmas.
Judge, no worries, no worries.
Merry Christmas